I'm doing a little off desk tour, I guess. Sunshine and Chaos Cooking and Budgeting will be doing the full office tour, our studio, well, office, yeah, tour. And um, so we set my desk up. I asked Sunshine to decorate because she's really good at it and I'm not. And so we got me this, she let me use the plant. And then this is for my pens. We gotta get more, but that's all I have right now. So I have my pencils, a couple markers, my scratcher, and then some more pens and my highlighters. So that's all I have right now for that. And then up here, she did really pretty. These we got to hold challenges. Their intention is for photos, but I'm gonna use them to hold some savings challenges. And then mini cup, and then probably the white thing will be for probably a plant or flower or something. And then I have my 2 books from Sunshine, and then all my dice. We found these pretty, like, they're dishes, but they have flowers on them and they're really pretty. So that's what I'm using as a dice holder. And Sunshine also got one, and I got 2. There was only 3 of them, so I have 2 and she has 1. And then we got me this piggy bank. I liked it because it's a ribbon. But I'm going to have to find something else because it's almost full. And that's only where, that was about 2.5 months of saving coins. And it's all mixed. And then on this side, I got this vacuum, and it works. So, yeah, it works. And then I have a couple savings challenges. And then we got me this little drawer. I don't have anything in it yet. I'm not sure what I'll put there. And then on this side, I have Sunshine's dice roller. Sometimes it like spits out the die, so I'll probably use it, but I don't know. I might switch back to my other pink one I got from Jasmine at MS Mom Budgets. And then Sunshine got me this desk mat. It's blue, and she has a black one. And then I have my printer, which it's if you guys are wondering, it's a HP photo. I think it's Envy. It's a photo printer. So my last printer was just a regular inkjet or DeskJet. I forget what it was called, but this one's really nice. And if you're a fan of HP and you're looking to save on ink, I have the subscription, so I never ran out of ink. And I used it in New Mexico, and I just signed up for it. And I'm not a fan of making payments, but I'm making payments on this printer. And then I have 3 drawers on my desk, so it's all organized. Let's see, it's all organized. And Sunshine gave me the paper clips. She gave me a lot of stuff. She's a really good friend, and I'm really lucky to have her. We're like sisters. We get along really good. And like before I moved here, we talked on the phone a lot, like for 3 hours at a time. So I really got to know her over the phone, and I'm getting to know her better in person. And It's been a blessing to be here, and we're all sharing expenses, and they've been really helpful. And I'm just open. I've been adding my scratch offs back to my Etsy shop, so I'm reopening my Etsy and my Ko-fi membership, and I'll link them in the description if you guys are interested. And I have my savings challenges in that bucket, and then some baggies Sunshine gave me, and my scratch off stickers. So and then this one is, I had started these. These were the 100 envelope. I don't know if I'm gonna do that this year like I wanted, but if not, then I'll do it next year. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And then this is a 3-drawer. I came with the desk. I don't have much in here. I just have my cardstock and some batteries. And then down here, I just have supplies until we clean the cabinet out, and we'll put all our supplies over there. And that's pretty much all. And there's my shoes, my Crocs, and yeah. So that's what we have right now. We're getting a curtain for that window because Sunshine really wants it, and it puts in a lot of light and heat, so we need a curtain. And that's pretty much it for now, and I'll try to be back in a couple days with probably my tinies right there. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching.